Good morning. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Are we ready today? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? So gold. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm looking at this bullish engulfing here. It's kind of likable to me, guys. So let's arrange a little bit our screen. So who is with us today? Who is with us today? Once again, guys, to get my platform ready. Okay, so this one here is good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Ivan. All right, so on gold, I'm gonna plot these levels here on the daily chart. We have this resistance up there. I'll go down to the 4-hour, an inside candle, and a lot of support right there. So still higher highs, higher lows, but yeah, it's quite of. Usually this can end up as a bearish sandwich candlestick. So let's see what's going to happen with that one here. Multiple bullish engulfings, rejection here. I kind of like this bullish engulfing, so let's keep an eye on that. So with this one here, based on the Western technical analysis, higher highs and higher lows, still higher highs, but we can draw a trend line here, and we see that we got the break of the trend line right there, and we can draw the neckline like this. So maybe we're gonna get a head and shoulders reversals on this one. So this one here is head and shoulder, with this one here like that one there, and this one head and shoulder, if head and shoulder, and just so you know, only if breaks below 40, only if it breaks below the 42.46. 42.46. Done. So this is the plan, guys, for gold. This is going to be a head and shoulders only if it breaks below here. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is a solid plan. Okay, very solid plan. So let's go down to Nasdaq and the S&P 500. I want to see what is going on here. We have another a new all-time high there. Let's just put it on the chart. So let's delete everything. So all-time high, shooting star. Wow. Look at this. Shooting star. Shooting star all-time high. All-time high shooting star. With the low being right there. Yep. So in this case, the market can experience some strong downfall. On the 4 hour, yeah, we are sitting at this base, which is fine. So multiple bearish engulfing yesterday during the New York session. Multiple insights on the 4 hour, a false breakout actually before the close. And now the market is sitting within this balance area or this range here. This range there, yeah. Okay, so on the 15-minute, it's a bit choppy. We have this support here. If we're going to buy the support, we're going to target the middle of the balance area. We don't want to go to the upper extreme. Or if we're going to sell, it's better to take profits here. And if the price breaks below that, we can still look for continuation. Yep. So we have a solid plan here on the S&P as well. I kinda wanna trade the S&P now. Okay, so let's see within this hour how the market will position on this setup. Based on the daily price action, this is heavily bearish. Yeah, based on the daily's price action, heavily bearish. That's a 15-minute. If we trade this one, it's a bit dangerous because we have these supports here. Okay, let's wait. Let's give it some time. We are not in a rush. Not in a rush at all. Gold. By the way, I bought this bullish engulfing, guys, so you know, yeah, bullish engulfing. Yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer for me. Bullish engulfing is bullish engulfing. Let's see how the trade is going. Okay, I have 3 positions on my prop account. Oh man, I was buying. Look at what did I do here. Oh my god, I was buying the S&P and I thought I was buying gold. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, mate. Okay, I have to close the S&P. It's like I do it so fast on the phone that I don't see what am I doing sometimes. Anyways, so the TP1 was 42.68. Where is the 42.68 here? 42.67, 42.68. That's the TP1. DAX, yeah, we will check the DAX. Okay. Alrighty, guys, by the way, I sent this signal in the VIP signals group inside Telegram if you want to get them. So let me show you. So if you want to get them in real time, like here, you see signal drop before we go live, buy gold at this price, our stop loss, that was the bullish engulfing on the 15-minute. I give TP1, TP2, and TP3 if you want to get this stuff in real time with my updates, of course. TP1 hit, move stop loss at break even, and let the other trades run for free, risk for free. You just get into the Telegram. You can see in front of you now, you can see the you can scan the code and get into the Telegram. I will approve you and I will send you instructions from there how you can join the VIP signal groups. It's not only about signals there, it's about also me sharing my mindset, things about trading, what I see in the markets. I just put everything there prior to distribute it later to other channels. Okay, so whoever is there, it's gonna get the information in real time. Sorry, my voice, it sounds a little bit, but I'm trying to recover. And because I speak a lot all the time, I don't get some rest. That's why I can't just recover fast. Alrighty. So, DAX, yes, are you looking? Emma asked, are you looking for buys or sells at the moment? I looked for buys, definitely here. I bought this one, secure the first profit. Now I let the trade run towards the second one. If we make it, I gave us TP2 inside the VIP signals, the 72.75. Let's put it on the chart. So let's do, that's the node. Let's do this one here. 72, 75, yep. That's the TP2. And at 68, here it was the TP1. Let's see if we're gonna make it until TP2. There is a high chance to get the retracement here or reversal. So I'm not aggressive. I don't want to sell here. No reason, because even though high probabilities shows that the market can retrace, because we broke the trend line and we can get the potential head and shoulders, but we don't have a confirmed head and shoulders. So I don't want to just speculate with selling right there and putting my stop loss. Let's say if I sell here, to just go in and put the stop loss up there. There is, I mean, no point to do that. It's too much of a distance. S&P 500. This is the price action I like to trade during strong trends, the candlestick pattern. Let's have a look on the DAX at the open. Oh, that was the open. It wasn't a bearish engulfing, so no trading signal here, but then we got the rejection and nice downtrend continuation here. So technically we need to completely clear out this low, and we need to see the price moving away from this low. I don't want to see the price staying there, because if we see the price staying there at this is it can bounce. Honestly, it can bounce. So okay, let's do this. Let's go on the daily. On the daily, previous day's low, previous day's high, and of course all-time high here. Previous day's low, previous day's high. There is another low here. Oh, there is a lot of liquidity around these levels. And this one here as well. So this becomes now a zone. The hourly, on the hourly, lower lows. Eventually we can break below here. Yeah, nothing stops the price from breaking below there. So on the 15-minute, you see this candle at 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. UK rejected this support, came right there, didn't quite touch the next levels, and then the buyers stepped in, but the sellers kept pushing the price lower and lower and lower consistently. Even though we can get some rejection here, I'm not gonna go to buy anything. For me to have a valid buy here, I need to see a new market structure to the upside, like low, low, this is the high. So the price has to make a higher high. If we get a high above there, then we are safe to wait for any retracement, shallow or deep, and keep buying for a new all-time high, of course. But I firmly expect retracements on the higher time frame, like on the 4-hour chart. So And of course, we're going to fill up this gap here. This is a breakaway gap, as we call it in the Western technical analysis. So this gap here, it has to be filled at some point in time. Maybe it's going to fill up today, tomorrow. No, I don't think so. Today it's the very, very big distance compared to the average true range. So, but maybe this long bearish Marabozu candle set the tone for bearishness into this market. So from this point, I will wait for a clear break below these lows, because it's a key support. This one, it's a key demand. And from then, market will offer retracements, and if you guys stay focused, we can get some good trades. But aggressively, to why I don't want to sell here, because if the price tapped into this area, there is a high chance to see buyers stepping in and pushing the price upwards. Even though we can have the bias in our favor, if we have a stop loss anywhere that is not market structural accurate, we can get a losing trade. But we can avoid getting into a losing trade if we understand the current market structure and trade based on the price development. So I want to wait to see if the sellers will break below this support, and then to look for shorts. Does this make sense? You see, the buyers can at any moment they can just get into this one. What's going on with gold? Gold on the 5 minute had this dodgy candlestick at this resistance. As we said, we might gonna see the counter move, but nobody knows if we're gonna see it. Yeah. So from this point, I'm not willing to do anything. I'm not willing to do anything here. I want to wait and see whether the market will continue or not. So, generally speaking, the markets are digesting, all of the markets, gold, Nasdaq, S&P, DAX, are digesting the last few days moves. They were impulsive moves, and for example, you just look at the S&P, since yesterday, mid of New York session, moves sideways. Or since early this morning Asian session, just ranges within the last bearish Morobozu candle of the New York session. So this is the market structure since the morning, ranging. I don't see any opportunities unless we break above here or below there, ideally below there. Let's make some notes on the charts. Iva commented, yes, if you're not sure, stay out. Absolutely, absolutely. Absolutely. Here's the gold. That was the bullish engulfing. Guys, I will leave you for 1-2 minutes and I will be right back. I'll just mute my microphone and I will increase the music and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, okay. What is happening now? The price is heading towards the second take profit. S&P. Okay, so today gold is on the focus. Twitter. Let's see what's going on the Twitter. Yeah, and of course we get these guys that they do this fast forward trades and yeah. Okay, no worries. What's going on here? I didn't post anything yet on Twitter today. What about Forex Factory? Up, 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 up. Trump. I would rather make a deal with Iran. Oh, 10 hours ago. Donald Trump, X, on his Twitter. So let's go here. Trump. Donald Trump. President Trump. How many Trumps there are here? When did he post? When did he post this one? July 28, July 5. Do you guys know if he has another Twitter account? President Trump. Donald Jr. Trump. Completely exposed corporate media. Anyway, so here Trump, I would rather make a deal with Iran. Yesterday it was his he gave a speech yesterday, remember? Okay. Good. On the calendar, August 6, unemployment claims, nothing. So nothing to to worry about today. It's just tomorrow non-farm employment change. So far the number remains the same. Average hourly earnings remains the same. Unemployment rate same, 4.2. So the only thing is to find out what's going to happen here. Excellent trade on gold, but I never got it on Telegram. Yeah, I didn't post it on Telegram on the free channel. I just posted on the VIP that I start sending some signals there. I can send you guys all information how to join. That simple process. Oh, almost at the TP2. Ah, come on. Almost. Which was my target there? Let's go back to Tele. So the target TP2 42.75. Yeah, 42.75. Just on the spread. Come on, mate. Just on the spread. You for real now? Look at this. Just on the spread. It came to 42.74. 84. I mean, just for 1.6 points. Not even. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. 0.1 peep. I mean, it's insane. This inside, maybe it's gonna be a reversal. See this bullish engulfing here, boom. But I don't trade the minute charts. Minute charts, if you want to trade 1 minute chart, you need to get some order flow charting. One of my students, I don't know if Jason is on the live now, maybe he's not, but because he trades this minute and lower time frames, even the 5-minute chart, he uses the order flow, and we went through, I explained to him how to use it, and he's killing it there. So if you really want to progress, I encourage you to let me know, and I can teach you a little bit about order flow. Depends how deep you want to go. It's really worth it. S&P. You see why I didn't want to get into the S&P trade, because the market, the price didn't tap into this demand, and frankly from here to sell the breakout of these lows, it's a low quality trade when the market is trendless. My reason for the TP2 was simply, I think it's more than 1%, more than 1 to 1 on that one. Guys, just understand something. When I'm sending signals, the first, because I with the signals I have high reward, high win ratio. I get more than 70 or 80% accuracy on my signals, because I do the first TP1 0.5. So if I risk 10 pips, I will close the first one with 5 pips profit, and then I will leave the other trades at break even to go for the TP2. And usually in all trades, statistically about 90% of the times, I get both TP1 and TP2 hit it instantly, because I trade only momentums. This is the main reason. It's a different approach to do trading signals, and the reason I do trading signals is to help those who are in the community to who are in that community to just understand first how to get into the trade, and after that, yeah, we go for 2-1 and build up different approach. Okay. but that kind of consistency helps a lot in your development. This is why I like to do some signals also. And it's not a faceless signal group. It's me, it's me. I do the job behind the scenes. The only thing I don't flex with, Lamborghinis in Dubai and showing off luxury lifestyle. That I don't support. I have a different mindset of what the ideal life looks like, and I live based on my terms. So to impress and to show off on these things, it's not me. So I'm killing it in trading. You can also see from my FX book my records. But because I'm killing it in trading, I don't have the need to get people to pay me money just to send some signals. So that's the difference between me and most of the other guys out there. I allocate, for those who don't know, I allocate also some time, some days of the week, not every day, to do private coaching with people they want, with traders they need some guidance. And yeah, pretty much that's my daily routine, I can say. Okay, we are going close to TP2. Yeah, let's go. Yes, exactly. So yes, I'm a humble man. Most of the guys, what do? They call them out. I mean, professionals call them, fake gurus. They have hundreds and thousands of followers, subscribers on their YouTube channel. Unbelievable. Their videos, they are getting so much viewing because, they are flexing left and right. And as I say on some interviews, guys, I can go to Dubai. I can get a flight from here. To break it down, it's going to cost me about 300 euros to fly to Dubai from Cyprus, maybe 400, depends. I go there. I rent a Lamborghini. It's about $400 for 6 hours, I think, or 500 for 6 hours, something like this. I hire a photographer there and someone with a camera for about, let's say, for these hours, for one day, $100, whatever. By the way, it hit it the TP2. And just be with me taking pictures. I drive, and drive for 6 hours, park it in different spots in Dubai, taking some videos, some pictures, blah blah blah. And then you go to a couple of expensive restaurants, maybe you order a coffee and you pretend that you have something, you ate something as well there, and whatever. All these things people are doing these days to impress on social media. And then they come on different platforms and they ask from professionals like myself and other guys that I know to send them signals for their groups, to make courses for them so they can post the courses. I can show you on average, every week I get about 2-3 messages from these guys to make courses, to send signals, to trade funded accounts. That's funny. I had someone came today, actually yesterday. I just read the message today. He sent me an email and he goes, I can see that you are doing lives and all these things on your socials, and can you trade? I have about $1 million to put on the account, and I'm going to have subscribers, and I'm going to have signals and all these things, and can you trade for us and this stuff? And I was, guys, I mean, I'm used to these messages and emails all week long. So it's on the one thing I understand, because let's be real, we judge the book by the cover. We don't judge the book by the content. We are humans, and that's how we work. But on the other hand, if the book is, or the thumbnail is not attractive, we will not press to watch the video. And if the guy shows that it has a lifestyle, oh yeah, that's what I want. I mean, the best example I give all the time is when you want to, let's say you want to put some paintings on your walls, and you need to drill the wall. You go to buy a driller. So you don't buy the driller because you want to buy a driller. You buy the driller because of the result. So you come to trading not because you want to learn how to trade, but because of the result of how it's going to make you feel. We want to make money, right? Of course. I'm trading because I want to make money. And I got into, by the way, TP2 is done. So let's close the other trade. So that's the TP2 here. One second. Yeah. Therefore, we want to trade because we want to make money. We don't want to trade because there is something in trading. And after we sold in our mind that we want to trade because we can make money from wherever we are in the world, then we go on YouTube first thing and we search how to trade, learn how to trade. And let's be honest, which video you will watch, or which trading influencer, trading educator you will trust? Those who with high visibility, those with 1 million subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, 200, 300,000 subscribers, because you'll say, this guy, yeah, it sounds he must be an expert, or she must be an expert. So when you land on YouTube channels like mine, for example, like this one here, see my YouTube channel there, it has 13K subscribers. Okay, maybe the content in all my videos are very valuable and can help you to learn a lot of things, because I really do the job. I don't hire anyone to do the job for me. But the reason you are keen maybe to press on my videos, it's because this guy here has 24 views, has 60 views, okay, 8,000 views, 11,000 views, but yeah, it has only 13K subscribers. Okay, maybe I will go to that guy because it has 500,000 and all this thing, and it has 1,000 comments. Yeah, this is the guy. Look at him, he wears Rolex. This is the guy. So this is how people operate, and personally I understand it, but I don't care. So to whom you pay attention to, you must be careful, because if you try to learn a strategy that shows you on a YouTube video that works, that put a playback mode on replay on TradingView and shows you that it's killing it, that trading strategy, and when you try to do it yourself, the results are it's something wrong there, isn't it? Maybe I will rename my channel here and I will make it the Candlestick School, so everyone understands that here we trade candlesticks and the probabilities are so favorable. Because to be honest, people are lazy to trade candlesticks. They want to trade like professionals. And professionals who move the markets, yes, they don't trade candlesticks. So why should I trade candlesticks? Because you don't have the capacity and the resources to trade like a professional. You don't have the same access in the information. So you will never be able to trade like a professional. But with the candlesticks, you can follow some of their footprint to make some money while they are playing their game. So why people, they don't teach candlesticks nowadays compared to how they used to do it before? Because they think that because professionals don't trade candlesticks, it's not the best way to make money in the markets, which it's proven wrong so many times. So TP2 and the next one, TP3. Where did I put the TP3 on the channel? 42.85. 42.85, I guess it's just below this week. Yeah, so it's there, 42.85. So it looks like this, and the TP3 is here. Let's see if we make it. So TP1 is done, TP2 is done. Okay guys, it was great to see you around today. If you made some money in this session, just be careful moving towards the New York session, because the markets will be very choppy, to be honest, because of the tomorrow's non-farm payroll. So from me, just trade cautiously. I will see you all either inside Telegram or next Tuesday at the same time. Take care and bye for now.